Welcome to Bit Technologies. In this tutorial we are going to design a responsive login page, and to design this login page I will use Bootstrap CSS. I'm using Bootstrap in Angular application. You can use this UI framework, any other applications also, to design same kind of login page. So this is my application, and let us run npm start. My application has started as it is running on localhost. Yes. So this is drop down, and on click of this button I will show here login page, and it will have two sides. Left will be one image, and right will be our input boxes like username, password, and you can sign using other like Google, Facebook, Twitter. So these buttons will be this side. So let's start. First I will build a login page, and in Angular for this we make a component. A component, as we know, it has 4 files: HTML, CSS, a test file, and one TypeScript. In HTML, CSS I am going to design this login page. So for this I will create a component here. Okay, I will create a component here inside core. I will create another component. For this, to create component we use command ng generate component. Its name will be login page. See, our new component has been created. Inside core there is a login page. It has 4 files. I will use this. So first let us configure its routing. Like when you click on this button, you go here and click on this button, here login page should come. Since in Angular routing is very easy, just open its main routing file and give here a path. So I will just copy this and paste here. Here I will give URL login, and here in component I will show login component. Whenever this URL will be in URL bar in our browser, that time this login component will be loaded. Inside login component we have this HTML and this CSS, so it will display to the user. I have saved. Let's see, it is running, compiled successfully here. Okay, and if you type in URL, just login and press enter. See, login page has downloaded, and here we can see login page works. In login component, login page HTML file, see here this HTML we are seeing that. So we will build here our login page. Next, let's see how to show the same page on click of this button, login button. Okay, on this, when you click on login button, same page will be open here. So how we can show, how we can configure that? For this, where is your button? First you need to go on this button. Okay, so this button, since this HTML is in header, so this button must be in header. Go here, open header. Inside header HTML you see inside login there is a login drop down, there is a login button. Here we will write, instead of href we will write router link. For this inside this bracket just type router link and here you give link. So what is our link? We need to give in a string and it is login. Okay, let's see, we give same way or is there any syntax difference? I'll copy. Yes, like this we need to give. Okay, with backslash, okay. So once you click on this button, what it will do, it will change URL here inside this. Once our application Angular will see in URL there is a login, so it will match with our routing pass. So it will match with this login. Of course it will match with this and it will load this component. So let's go and click on this login page. See, our login page is coming here. This way we configure routing. So let's start building our login page. So first of all we have to make two divs here. Inside here we need to make two divs, one for left side portion, another for right side portion. So I will make a div, and since Bootstrap has given two types, we can use display flex also. So I will use make its display type flex, class d-flex. Okay, and inside this I will make two divs, one for left and one for right. Therefore div for right side. I will apply some class. This name will be login page left. Okay, and for this class will be login page right. And if I put, let's see, yeah, nothing is there. Oh, one extra, where, yeah, here it is showing. Let us close this one. Nothing is there. If I put some content here like h1 left, and here you can see left and right has come side by side. If you inspect this, you will find this. First, this one we have created inside app login. This is our component app login page. Inside this we have make a div, and I have given this class display flex. Inside this I have two divs. This one is left and this one for right. Inside this, these are elements are we are seeing. So I will make this 50%, like left will be half portion left will take and half portion right will take. So let's start. For this CSS I will create another separate CSS file, and I will write CSS there for login page. For this I will not write here. You can write here also, but it will be inline CSS. Okay, here it will be apply only in this page, HTML page. So I will write in global CSS. To write global CSS, this is in Angular we have this global CSS. What I will do, I will write in separate file and include into global CSS. So let's see how to create a separate file. Just inside our styles folder create another file and keep its name login.scss. I have created this file login SCSS. Now what we have to do, this CSS we have to include into our global CSS, because Angular only knows this is its CSS file. So we need to include into this. So just control V and here give your CSS file name login.scss. So whatever I will write here in login CSS file, it will come into our global CSS. And since Angular knows this is global CSS, it will apply in our application. I have included. So I will write here. First I have included two classes here, LP left, LP right. For this I have to write here dot LP hyphen left. This is for left side. Another class LP hyphen right. These two classes I have created. Next we put components here. Okay. So for this I will here I will keep an image left side. For this I will take an image and here I will give src source equal login1 dot jpg. It has come. Okay, see, left side we have this image and right side we will put input boxes for our email and password. So for this remove this one and create a div box inside box. And I will make it row type. Okay, for this I will apply class row, and inside this I will make a column dot call with dot col, type dot col and press enter. See, a div with class column has been created. Inside, since we have to use input fields here, so we will keep this input field inside a form. So once login, this form will be submitted. For this form, just use this form. So first inside form we will show a heading h3 and I will keep it here, heading sign in. See, it is coming here. Okay, slowly we will move here in center, and after that here some p will be there. Okay, so where this form I will get form element and these things. Since we are using here Bootstrap, so go to Bootstrap official website. Yes, type here Bootstrap and press enter. Docs, and from here go to form. In this form control examples, you will get multiple different kind of inputs. So according to your need, you use. So I will copy this one. Okay, so where I will copy from here, Control C, and I will put in paragraph, just put anything like something lorem is from where it is. Just put some content. You will customize if required, then put, otherwise leave it. Okay, so see how it is looking. So we have this heading, after that some description, after that this one, our one input field. So I will change its name to this will be our for username. So what I will do, I will just remove this label, Control X, and input type equal to, I will give it text. Okay, and class is our Bootstrap class, and ID is ID you can change, user name. Okay, and placeholder here just write user name and save this. You see here username has come, and next one is password. For password, go here and copy same one and just Control C. Only you need to give this text, instead of text give this password, input type equal to password, and ID will be here password, change to password, and here give your PASSWORD password. Save this, username, password. Next what we have to do, we have to make a remember me and forget password. Okay, one will be forget password button and one will be remember me checkbox. For this after this I will create another div. Okay, here I will create another div. And I will apply here class d hyphen flex. What I will use this div, inside this div I will keep two elements. One will be remember me checkbox, one will be forgot password button. Okay, these two will be. So how to get checkbox? For this you need to go here Bootstrap and you will find checkbox here. See checks and radios. From here I will copy this one. This will be our remember me. So I will copy this much code. Okay. I will put here. Only what I have to do, I have to just make this here. Oh, div class form check. Oh, I have left some. That's why it is giving here. Okay, div class equal to form check. Inside I will update this one. Remember me. REMEMBER. Remember me. Okay, and these IDs and other things you change according to your need. Okay, if this ID will be okay. So save this one. You see remember me checkbox has come, and here right side there will be a forgot password button. Okay, for this go to buttons. Where is our buttons? Not here, here buttons. So I will use this one button where its HTML is this one link button. Okay, I will copy this one and paste here. After this another div, there will be two div. This is one div, another div I will take for this forgot password button. But button type is group button. Button link CS is available. Only I need to do right here forgot password. Forgot password. Okay, and save this one. You see, these two have come. Next, what I have to do? I have to make this one left and this one right side. How to do? Just you apply, since this div I have made display type flex, so I will use flex justify content CSS, justify hyphen content between. What it will do, it will put space between and buttons will be left right. See, this is left and this is right. Since this is little bit down, this is little bit up, so I will use padding top. I will give some padding top, this one pt-2. So both will be same level. See, now both are at same level. Okay, and next I will place here button. Which button? This one, login button. For this I will make another div here, and inside this I will place a button. So I will copy same this button, or no, I will get from button primary I will use. Okay, I will copy this one and put inside this, save this one. See, let's change its login. I want to make this button like this. It will be same as our input field from here to here. For this I will use this div and apply here d hyphen grid display hyphen, sorry, class d hyphen grid. Save this. See, our button has it has taken full width. Okay, from here to here. And I will add another CSS gap hyphen 2 and one my hyphen 3. It will apply margin. Y axis means this is our x axis and this is our y axis. Y axis means top and bottom. See, it has applied margin top and bottom 3 pixel. 3 means some rem they have given, 1 or 2, and they have given classes for margin. You go Bootstrap and see these classes. Next, what I will do, I will place here or, and so that after or I will give some other options like login using Bootstrap, Facebook and Google. For this I will create 3 buttons here. So I will create another div here, and inside this I will keep a p tag. Inside this hyphen hyphen or, and I will apply here class text align center. If I save, see, it is here, or I will keep it center. For this I will apply here some classes display hyphen flex, sorry, class d hyphen flex and same justify content center. Justy class is here. I will copy paste justify content between, instead of I will use justify content center to make content center. So this our or will be centered. See, it has centered. Next, what we have to do, we have to put 3 these buttons. One for our Facebook login, login with Facebook, login with Google and login with Twitter. These 3 buttons will be there. For this I will use same another div. First of all, create another div and here same button, this one I will copy this and paste here. Since I need 3 buttons, I will copy paste this 3 times and log in with Facebook. This one login with Google and login with Twitter. So I will keep it login with Twitter, and this one login with Google. See, I have created 3 buttons. What I will do, I will apply same this display grid, so it will be full width, and I will apply couple of CSS to change its colors. Okay, for this I need to d hyphen grid, sorry, class d hyphen grid. These are classes given in Bootstrap, and gap hyphen 2. Save this one, not here, on all divs. Control C, this one and this one, and save this. What I want to do, I will place here icons also. Okay, so that user will see Facebook icon, Twitter icon and Google icon. So for to get icons, Bootstrap has given icons here. Go to right click, and here you need to just search icons. I will search, first one is Facebook. See, Facebook icon I got. I will go and I will copy its SVG, and here I will paste inside button. So how to, just place cursor here and inside this is our button, and since I want to put this left side, I will keep before a text. You see, login with Facebook, login icon has also come. Same way you search these two, Twitter icon I got, copy this one and place here, login with Twitter, and I will change this color. Instead of button primary, I will use another this button info. I will use info. Okay, so what I need to do, for info button, you see here is button info. I will change from button primary to this CSS for primary. I will change to button info. So I will use here button info. That's all. You see, this button color has changed and we have icons. For third, login with Google, I need to get Google icon. Search here Google. Copy this one and put inside this. Control V, and I will change this color to red. For this I will DANGER. You can customize color, it's not a big deal. Okay, see, 3 buttons I have. What I will do, I need some gap this in between these buttons. For this I will give margin top and bottom. This button margin top and bottom, so there will be gap. So what I will do, margin y-axis and -3. See, some gap has come between these buttons. Okay, so our form has also completed. This is our left side part. Now we have to apply some CSS. Where we will write CSS? We will write CSS here. So for this, first of all, here I will give margin left and right auto. So LP right, I will write margin 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 left auto and margin right auto, so that it will be in center. Okay, see, it will be in center. Some gap is there. I will remove this one. Here I will apply some more CSS on row p-5. What it will do, it will apply padding and mx0. See, it has centered. Okay, this is our right side part. Okay, and for our left side part is our image. On image, what I want to do, first CSS I will apply, so it will take half of this. I think it is taken, and image will be 100%. Since this is an image, where it is in LP left. So inside in this CSS, I will apply on image, so it will take all of the space. You can see, just inspect and see. I will make it dock right side. Okay, see, image has taken this much part, and our div is big. You can see our div has taken more space. It has taken. So I will make it 100%. For this, just direct apply image. If you want, you can write a class on image and use that one. Both will work same. Width, I want to make width 65. Viewport width, okay, I will give 65. Okay, and height, height will be 100%, and save this. See, it has taken height 100%, and this it has taken 65% of width of our viewport, and this has taken this much. See, left side will be any image you can use according to your wish. And this is our sign in page. Here username, this will be password, user type. If you want to remember me, he will select, otherwise not. On click of forgot password, he will open the forgot password page, and after that login. If he want to log in using Facebook, Twitter, he will click on these buttons. What I want to show here, welcome to Ninja Store, here on this image, middle center of this image. How to show? Go to our this here login page. This is our left side. Inside this, you create a div, div, and apply some CSS here, class, and I'm applying overlay hyphen container, overlay hyphen container. Okay, and another div will be there, div. I will tell what is the purpose of this div and another div, and I will apply class here. Since I want to show welcome to Ninja Store, I will make this name welcome div, welcome div. Okay, and inside this I will put message p welcome, and another p will be to Ninja Store, to Ninja Store. If I save this, you see output. It is coming somewhere. It is coming someplace here. Here it is coming top. That's why it went to bottom. Okay, and we have to arrange this. It is here. If you see here, see welcome. Its color is white, that's why we are not seeing here. Okay, if you change its color you can see here. So let's make it proper way. Yeah, see, welcome to Ninja Store, it is coming here. Welcome to Ninja Store. I want to make this div here inside this. Okay, this content I want to show here. On top of this is another div. You can see this is a image, this is a div, and this is our top div. So as we know in CSS, to move any element inside a div, you need to make this display type absolute. Okay, what it will do? Absolute element, it you can adjust its left, right, top, bottom, and it will adjust from its direct parent. Who is the its parent will be relative. Its relative parent. First relative parent it will find. It will take heights and widths from there. So write CSS for this. Inside this I will write here dot welcome. What? Let me copy here. Otherwise, welcome div. Control C and welcome div. Position I will give absolute. Position absolute. Save this. See, I have given this div, I have given position absolute. What it will take? What it will do? It will adjust its position in the page from its direct relative parent. Who is it? Who will be its first relative parent? Like see, this div is its parent. This is child of this div, and this is grandchild of this div. So if this will be relative, it will adjust its place from this parent. If it is not relative, it will go to the one more level, and it will see. If it is relative, then it will adjust its height from here. So see, it has come here. Welcome to Ninja Store, you can see here. Okay, so what I will do next, I will make it center and I will apply some CSS. For this, just go here and give top will, now you can apply top, bottom you can apply only on the div which is position is absolute. You can apply top, bottom. So top will be 50%, 50%. Save. See, they have come here. Let me first apply here this color. Okay, so that its color will be white. It will be visible. Since it is, see, it has come. It has taken 50% from top. Okay, from here 50%. Where it has taken, it should come here center, but it is not coming. It has taken from its a direct parent, and just close this one, and it has taken, I think some parent is different. What I want to do, I want to take from this image div, inside image, from that div I want to make it center. So what is this? This is div. So I want to from make there this div, I want to make this center. Okay, for this, since we have made this absolute, so it's this div I need to make relative. For since this div is having this class, I will add CSS display this, position relative. So inside this class I will write position relative. I save this. Just see, it has taken 50% from top. From top 50% it has taken. This is 50%. After that it has from top. Now this content is absolute. So you can move its direct parent is relative. Who is this div is relative. So you can using top, bottom, left, right, you can move it inside this boundary, because this div is first relative parent. So it will adjust its height from this div. Okay, So whatever you give, if you give left 50%, I'm just giving you left 50%. See, it will take 50% from left. See, it has taken 50% from left, 50% from top, 50% from left. So what next I have to do? I have to make it center. Here center will be this. Okay, means this will be center here. For this what I will use? I will use transform translate. I will just apply minus 50%, comma minus 50% and save this one. See, now it is perfect centered from top, from bottom, this one. So what next I will do? This is here inside two div. One is welcome, one is ninja store. What I want to do, make this font size some bigger and apply some CSS. So on first P I will apply some other CSS, and this P I will apply other CSS. Since you can see this P is first child of this. Okay, this div, inside this div, whatever element they are, its child. So this is first child and this is last child. So I will how to access element using first child and last child pseudo class. For since they are in welcome div, see inside welcome div are there. So I will write CSS here. Inside welcome div, I will write P colon first child. Whatever P will be first child, it will apply on this first hyphen child. I will make its font size. Font size I will apply 5 rem. Okay. Save this one. See, its size has become bigger. And apply some more font weight. Font weight 700. Okay. And yes, okay, these two. And same way I write CSS for last child. There are two P's. This is there are two child. This is first child, this is last child. So I will write for last child and change this to last child. Here I will give font size 3 rem, same, and save this one. See what I will do, I will make it center, so it will be in center. For this just go and text align center. See, it has come to center. Since there is a more gap, I want to reduce this. For this I will apply line height to this first child. So you can see here, you can inspect, you will find here more place. See, it has more place has taken, so I want to reduce this. For this what I will do, I will apply line height 2 rem. See, space has reduced. Okay, so this has come. Next what I want to do, I want to make a watermark on here, like some, it will be like some watermark will be there. How to apply this one? For this I have used this container. This what I will do, same, I will apply CSS here on absolute, and I will keep from here to here, spread on this image. So this div width be width of our this image. Okay, from here to here, it will means it will cover whole, and we will apply some to show you some watermark something. Okay, for this what I will apply, I will use this CSS and see how to apply dot overlay container. Same, I will give this position absolute I have given you this div is not visible. I have given only absolute. Okay, just to visual purpose I will apply background color some white, just to show you background color has white. Okay, how it is covering this image part. For this just you give top 0, because what we want to do, top will be 0 means it will start from here. Okay, next left will be 0, left will be 0. Since this content is absolute, it will take from its parent relative. So this parent div is relative, this is relative, so it will take its left, right, top, bottom from here, and which we want. So now it has taken top is 0 and left is, so it is here. Okay, next what I will do, I will make bottom 0, bottom, bottom 0. So top, left and bottom, so this div from here to here. Okay, what I will do next, if I will make right 0, let's see, just see, top was 0 means it started from here, this bottom will be from here, and right 0 means here. It has covered the whole image. Okay, if you give some opacity, so I will use this one, RGBA 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.5. okay, you see anything wrong, RGBA, oh sorry, only 3, RGBA is 3, red, green, blue, and this is alpha part. So it is here. I will show on other image, so it will look like, since image is black, we are not able to see this. If you remove this one like this, make this one, you see it will be black, whole black means div has covered, and we are giving some transparency, opacity using this one. Okay, so 0.5 I'm giving this one. If you use some other images like login 3.webp, save this one. See, this has come. What if I remove this one, uh, this watermark, if I remove this watermark, see how it is, how it is looking like. Just go here and open here doc, this is okay, this is background color. If I remove, see our image is looking like this. By applying this watermark, it looks some good, and our this top content is highlighting. So alpha, this opacity we can manage from here. So 4 this one much will be 3 this much, 1 this much, 2 this 1 this much. So we will keep this 3, 4 or 5. And since Bootstrap is responsive UI provides, so let's check its responsiveness. So yeah, it is still here. So on a smaller screen, I want to make this hidden. To do this, we will apply Bootstrap given CSS. See, for smaller screens, we will hide this one, only this will be shown. To this, we have to apply this part, we have to hide this one, only this will be shown. For this, apply here to CSS d hyphen none. What it will do, it will display none for all devices. I just saved, see, displays none. Okay, we can't see, it has hidden on all screens. If you make it smaller, see, it is hidden. What I want to do, for smaller screens it will be hidden, but for LG screens it should be visible. To this I will apply d hyphen block, d hyphen LG hyphen block for large screen, d hyphen LG hyphen block, and I saved this. See, for larger screen it is visible, and for smaller screen it will be hidden. See, but it is not center, it should be center. I think I missed some. Yeah, both margin left auto, margin right auto. I need to give margin right auto. It will fix our, see, once it will be shown, it will come to the right side. Okay, it will be left side, and as soon as left part will be hidden, this right part will come into center. And for a smaller screen, see, our form look like this. This is fully responsive page, the sign in page we have built. Okay, so this way you can build your sign in page and you can customize. One thing I want to do here, what this should be like this, our display height. So you can see this should be that much. What we can do, what is our width, display height? You can see display height is from here to here. So what I will do, I will make this here to here. For this I will apply on top, this is deflex. On this I will apply display flex. I will apply a class, login hyphen container, login container. Okay, and inside this dot login container, and inside I will give height, HEIGST. Height will be 100 viewport height. See, it has taken all, but some part is going. You can see this part is hidden. How much part is hidden? This much, because this is extra. So yours log sign in page is width 100 VH, means the from here to here, whatever height is there, same height is there. Since this is extra, so we have to remove this one. First let's see how much width it has. It has your header. So I'm going to measure header height. This is our header, this much, this. So let's see what its height computed. Oh, height, it is not showing us height. This way 42 means 42,900 means 43 pixel height is there, and 12 padding means 24, and this 43, 24 and 43, 7, 67. So what I will do, I will remove 67 from this. Let me minimize this one, go to the section. This is our login page, and let's see its height, where height class we have just given. This is on this deflex login container. See, our CSS is there, 100 VH. So what I will do, I will reduce this width, this height. For this, CSS has given calc, CALC, calc 100 VH, close this, minus 67 pixel. Okay, and what you do, just see like this. Okay, see, it is now, it is starting from here to here. It means our header is there. After that, this is from this height to this height. Okay, now it has fixed. And if you remove some, like you can see, if you increase a little bit, see, our this is increasing, this height is reducing. So we don't want to show like this. Okay, what we want, whenever our page will open, it will from here to here after this. For this, just come here and reduce this one, increase. Okay, understand? I have taken 100, I have given this login page height 100 of viewport height, and minus this one, so it has come from here to here, minus it. I will apply this CSS class to our this one, height 100 calc, and save this one, close this one. See, it is from here. Once you scroll bottom, you see our footer is visible. Okay, so this way we can make our sign page, and you can customize according to your need. And you see this is fully responsive. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.